Want to turn your website into an engagement and data collecting powerhouse? First, log into your WordPress dashboard. We're going to need a plugin to bridge the gap between Typeform and WordPress. Navigate to Plugins, then click Add New. In the search bar, type in Typeform. Look for the official Typeform plugin. It's usually the one with the most installations. Click Install Now and then activate the plugin once the installation is complete. This adds a Typeform option to your WordPress menu. Now, hop over to your Typeform account. Find the form you want to embed on your site. This is where you'll grab the embed code. Go to the Share tab, then look for the Embed option. Choose your preferred embed type. A standard embed works great for most situations. Copy the provided code. Back in WordPress, go to the page or post where you want your form. In the editor, you'll want to add a custom HTML block. You can find it by searching for HTML and adding a new block. Paste the Typeform embed code into the custom HTML block. That's it. Preview your page or post to see your beautiful Typeform seamlessly integrated into your website. Publish and start collecting valuable data and engaging with your audience.